Welcome back to L&D Home. If you are new, welcome to our channel. We are skipping the entire intro clip because, well, I did not do one. Our mulch beds in the front were absolutely disgusting. So David actually spent a lot of time getting that like old mulch out of there and as much as he could. And then he put down some like plastic tarps. We did all of this like off camera. This was just kind of like, hey, we needed to get this done. And then we were like, wait, why are we not filming this process? So the tarps and everything are already down. He's already cleaned everything out. So he's done a lot of the hard work already. Not that this work was easy though, because you can see him crawling all over the ground. But he's putting down this like base. I don't know what you call it. It's like a garden base, whatever. It's like a mesh situation. He's putting all of this down because we're going to be putting some new mulch on top of this. So we're hoping that with all of these layers that we have created, that we're not going to have all those weeds popping up. Because that was one of our big problems up front is weeds. And they were coming like crazy in some spots because the previous owner didn't do such a great job of putting a barrier down and it was getting a little ratchet. So we're hoping with a double barrier, we will not have that same problem in the future, or at least not for a really long time. This stuff is not the cheapest stuff in the world. We didn't get the most expensive. They actually sell more expensive ones. They're supposed to be like thicker and blah, blah, blah. But like, you know, you can afford what you can afford. But he is trying to kind of piece it together here because we're trying to use as much of it as possible and not be super wasteful because it is like somewhat pricey. And, you know, budgeting is very important when you get to these projects because they can really, really start adding up. I do believe that we got our materials at both Lowe's and Menards. I can't remember which thing is from which place, but I will do my best to link those things down below when I can find them or link something comparable from Amazon so you can have it dropped off right to your front door. What?
It's like using every piece.
It's a good plan.
You can.
No waste.
That. I mean, that'll probably be fine right there. A little thing.
Yeah, I mean, it's got the tarp underneath it, so
yeah.
Hopefully that little bit won't be a problem.
Here.
After a little bit of front yard Tetris, he was ready to keep on going. That little army crawl, one of my favorite parts. But we're just trying to make sure we get everything covered and, like we said, not have too much waste. So he's trying to go in a pattern that makes sense for him. I was just helping him film all this day because I'm not crawling around on the ground. I don't even like being outside very much, for real. I did lend a hand. You can see right here. He wants me to pull that piece and I'm going to help him out, but there's no way I'm crawling all over the floor. That's just, it's not for me, but I was like an assistant, moral support out here on this day and to grab anything that he needed because once you're down, it's really annoying to have to get back up and grab something because you forgot it. I did realize on this day that it would be so amazing to have like a cameraman that filmed everything because since I wasn't participating in the project except for like lending a hand here and there, which, you know, that was minute, let's be honest, I was able to get some really, really like good angles and switch it up. And like, how amazing would it be to like have somebody to help us film these things? We are nowhere there yet and nowhere can afford that. But it just made me think like that would be absolutely amazing if we could accomplish something like that one day. And we would love to be able to do that. After all of that base was laid, now it's time to move on to the mulch. Let me tell you, this mulch, I believe, is from Lowe's. I think. I'll have to ask and double check. And like I said, I will have the good mulch link down below because this is not it. I repeat, not it. In previous years, I believe that we got our mulch from Menards because I remember making some trips myself to Menards to get some mulch. I believe that we grabbed this from Lowe's because Menards is kind of a pain in the ass if you're trying to like do pickup for mulch. Like honestly, they make it like really like difficult and it's kind of gotten annoying. So he went to Lowe's to get this, and this was, I believe he went to Lowe's. Don't quote me. Like I said, look in the description box. This was absolute crap. Like this was the worst mulch I think I have ever seen in my entire life. Like it wasn't even all like dyed black. There were like brown pieces in there. There were like, he found pieces of like cigarellos, like all kinds of stuff in here. Like I don't understand. Like it was awful and not worth the money. So I will put this brand down below with the big thing on it that says like, do not buy this unless you trust your local store more. But like this, every single bag was awful. And we still have bags left over that we plan on using because we have them, but like not good quality at all.
It's time to start doing the right thing. So trust your instincts, stop listening to others, and own your decisions. People will always tell you what to do, opinion how to live. So let's create space for what matters most to you. You'll be glad you did. Now start claiming your time and your mental well-being by saying no more. No more. Say it loudly and proudly. In other words,
Even though the mulch was awful, it was starting to get kind of exciting, like seeing this part, because it's like he's about a third of the way done, and you can start like seeing the progress and what it's going to look like and how beautiful it's going to be. So it did start to get kind of exciting, like seeing like the process like happen. And let me tell you, I have done the mulch before in the front, and I did not envy him on this day. I have not put barrier and stuff down, but I have like refilled the mulch and kind of like made it look like a little bit fresh and new. And it's heavy and annoying and hot. And I was very thankful for him on this day that he was doing this mulch and he made it look so beautiful. Just wait till the end. Just wait. It looks so good, guys. It looks so good. There were definitely some parts that we did not catch on camera. Okay, we were like, well, it's not fully the entire thing. That's boring. But doesn't it look good? Like, oh my goodness. I wish it was a little more black. Okay, but that's the mulch's fault. That's not Babe's fault. There's the little bit of patch. Ignore that. He did eventually do that. But we were running out of time on this day. It was starting to warm up. Life be life in. You know what I mean? Like, you can only do so much. We then grabbed this product from Amazon that I've had in my wish list for a while. We really wanted to try it to kind of like see what the hype is about because we've heard some good things about this product.
It's a hillbilly because this is not coming up. Oh, that's the whole thing. I suppose I should use the gloves. Perfectly level here.
Definitely smells like glue.
Yeah.
This was the most surprising part, y'all. He started spraying it and it's
Oh,
freaking
wow.
blue. Like,
That's crazy looking.
we did not expect it to do this. Like, it was crazy, like, to watch him spray all this on. Like, I think it's a cool feature, so like, you know where you're spraying and like where you have missed, but like, it was such a shock, and it was so fun. Like, just watch it right now. Are you not having fun? Like, I just thought it was so cool. I don't know why, but it just really like tickled like the child part of me or something. You know what I mean? Like, oh, look at that. That's like so awesome. I don't know, but it was just really cool watching him like spray it on, and it like was blue. And so far, update, it has held up pretty well. We probably need to do like another coat, or should have done another coat. But one thing about mulch that we hate is that it blows all around. Like, leaves get in it, and you can't just blow the leaves out because then you blow the mulch out. Like, it's a whole like ordeal. But we like the look of that better than like rock. Rock is also way more expensive, and no one has time for that. But we love the look of like black mulch when it's actually black. Thank you, Lowe's, for ruining it. But this mulch glue really did come in handy. Like, it really has been holding everything up pretty well considering some of the crazy storms we have had here. I do have an update clip for you that is like after we had like a crazy storm. So stay tuned for that. So we are on the front porch, and I hope you can hear me because there's like 1,000,001 cars driving by, but we are really behind on editing. So this is several weeks, like a month or more after that last clip that you just saw. So I just wanted to kind of show you the state of it. He does have to like blow it out or whatever. And, you know, obviously the grass is a little bit long. It's been raining here crazy, but it actually, the glue has held up pretty well. I have to say I hate this mulch. This is not the mulch that we usually get. We always get like the black mulch, but the mulch that we usually get, I believe we usually get from Walmart, and this we got from Menards, or no, we usually get it from Menards. He got this from Lowe's. I don't know. I think this is from Lowe's. Do not recommend. Like, we found so many weird pieces in it. Like, we found a black and mild butt, like that had been partially smoked, like when we were doing the mulch that day. I do not recommend this mulch at all. Menards mulch is much better. So like, I already feel like we're going to have to put like a coat of color or something on it, but the glue is holding up pretty well. So I do give that like a 2. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful or at least entertaining. Make sure you check out that video and that playlist on the screen. And as always, smash that subscribe button so you can become part of our YouTube family. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.